Iwas ka sa reklamo? Ganito ka rin ba? Kapag may empleyado kang may reklamo, parang gusto mo na lang mag-disappear? Naku anak, maraming business owners ang takot na takot sa confrontation. Feeling nila kasi baka mas lumala pa ang situation. Let me share with you what happened to Tina, who owns a leather bags and wallets business. May empleyado siyang lumapit sa kanya at nagreklamo tungkol sa kasamahan niya dahil hindi daw fair ang work distribution. First instinct ni Trina, ignore it, hoping it would go away. Ang nangyari, naku, lumala tuloy ang tension sa production area. Naging toxic na ang work environment. And the worst thing that happened, may nag-resign. And that's when she realized na avoiding grievances does not make them disappear. So, I advised her to create a simple grievance process. First, listen without judgment. After that, get both sides of the story. And then, find a fair solution together. Remember, hindi ibig sabihin na lahat ng reklamo ay valid. Pero, everyone deserves to be heard. Kaya ang resulta, her team became more open to communicate. Problems got solved before they became bigger issues. Kaya anak, ang lesson is face grievances head-on with fairness and with structure. Hindi ka referee sa away. You are the leader who creates a safe space for resolution. At tandaan, a complaint is often just a cry for better workplace harmony. Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, learn more about them from my Business Basics for Business Owners course, ha? Check the link in the comment section.